You may have an inheritance you don't know about. A distant relative who passed years ago and named you in their will, an estate that couldn't locate you to deliver your share, a life insurance policy that lapsed unclaimed. Unclaimed inheritances total billions of dollars nationally. Here's how to find yours. I'm with peoplelocatorskiptracing.com, and helping people find unclaimed inheritances is meaningful work. Here's how to start. Every state has an unclaimed property division, usually run by the state treasurer or comptroller, that holds money and assets the rightful owner couldn't be found for. Bank accounts, safe deposit box contents, insurance proceeds, dividend checks, and inheritance distributions all eventually escheat to the state. The free starting point is missingmoney.org, which searches the unclaimed property databases of most states simultaneously. Enter your name and the names of any deceased relatives you might be heir to. The search is free. The claims are free, and the funds are returned to rightful owners. Search every state you've lived in or where any relative you might inherit from lived or worked. Inheritance distributions sometimes get sent to addresses the heir hadn't lived at for years. Those checks bounced back, then sat as unclaimed property in the state where the address was. For specific deceased relatives you suspect named you, check the probate court in the county where they lived. Probate filings are public records. The will, if it was filed, names beneficiaries explicitly. The National Association of Unclaimed Property Administrators, NAPA.org, is the umbrella organization that links to every state's unclaimed property program. Federal unclaimed funds also exist. The IRS has a Where's My Refund tool for unclaimed tax refunds. The Pension Benefit Guaranty Corporation has a missing participants database for unclaimed pension benefits. The FDIC has unclaimed funds from failed banks. The Department of Treasury has unclaimed savings bonds and Treasury securities. Watch for fee-charging unclaimed money services. Anything you can do for free through state and federal databases shouldn't cost anything. Legitimate professional searches add value when you don't know which deceased relatives to search for, or when you need a comprehensive cross-state search. For professional asset searches and estate investigations, visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com. 20 years of helping people find what's already theirs.